Water Freedom System is an amazing program available in the form of a guide written by Chris Burns. Water Freedom System is a step-by-step explanation guide of how you can build your very own water source that gives you about 20 gallons of water every day. That is way better than the water rules and regulations. Water Freedom System guarantees that the users will be able to survive any drought or times of difficulty as they will have their very own water supply. Water Freedom System has been scientifically tested to work as is very easy to build. Water Freedom System program is not the water system, but it teaches you to build your very own water supply. In cases of disasters, drought or emergency, when the world has no water, you will certainly have this water supply generate water for you. Water Freedom System is so easy to construct that you do not need any prior knowledge to construct it. You will have a list of materials you need to build Water Freedom System plans, and you're ready to go. Most of these materials will be available in your backyard or junk, and you will be amazed at the quality of the water too. Why do we need the Water Freedom System? NASA and many other reputed organizations have reported how the world is headed towards a major water crisis leading to a worldwide drought. The competition for clean, hygienic, and clear water is getting intensified daily. There are so many people who are dying because they don't get enough water supply every day. I bet you and your family would never want this to happen to you. However, there are many states and countries where water has become as expensive as oil, and they're ready to pay for it because there is no availability for water now. Children and old people are constantly dying because of this crisis. Water Freedom System reviews will be soon, and we all will have to face such a crisis in our countries too. Just because we're developed doesn't mean we won't have any water issues. Our developed countries, like America, have been given warnings too. Water Freedom System is a high time that you protect yourself and your family from this dangerous crisis, or it will harm you and your family too. Installing a Water Freedom System is a unique way to secure your family's future in terms of water abundance, so you and no one in your house will suffer. How can one build the Water Freedom System? Building a Water Freedom System is not so difficult. An entire blueprint is given, so you only have to follow the blueprint and do as it is given. You must follow the steps, gather materials, and install them. Water Freedom System blueprint is in a very easy to understand language, and you will never have any difficulty in understanding what the text says. Water Freedom System guide can be read and understood by anyone who is literate. It is fine if you have zero knowledge or information on building or installing such technology. It is specifically made for people who want to protect their families from drought. So if you want to save your family, that's all you need. Dedication. Have you ever imagined the pain the families go through to pay for water bills and still beg for a drop of water? African countries have been facing such issues now. We don't want you to struggle too. If you think building a Water Freedom System is difficult, you can get help from a mechanic or your family member too, as it is not a very professional task. Another person, including a friend, son, daughter, or even your wife could help.